Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a shrimp corn fritter with a chickpea salad. So first things first, I have a medium saute pan just heating up over very low heat here. We've got our food processor, and first things first, we're going to puree some corn. We have about a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. We have some lemon zest. We have a beaten egg, and about a cup to a cup and a half of corn. To this, I'm going to add a pinch of salt, a couple of cracks of black pepper. And we're going to process this until smooth. All right. Now, in another bowl, we have cumin, we have a little bit of chili flake, we have bell pepper, and the remaining corn kernels here. We're also going to add lime juice. We have green onion, we have garlic, we have red onion, we have cilantro, we also have some roughly chopped shrimp. Now we're going to add our pureed corn mixture. And take my spatula, start to combine. All right, and in this bowl we have flour, we have baking powder, and some pepper and salt. Add it in. All right, you can see now that our fritter mixture is kind of hugging together on itself. That's exactly what we're looking for. And we're going to loosely form our fritters and begin to pan fry them. Take a spoon, just get a nice spoonful, just like this. You can see it's still a little loose, but once it starts to cook, it will hold together. Once you put it in the pan, just kind of press it together a little bit. All right, you can see we're going to do these in batches of 4 at a time. You just continue to repeat this process until you've used all of your batter. Now you can see they're going to be kind of irregular in shape and size, and that's fine. That's exactly what you're looking for. They don't all have to be perfect or look the same. All right, so really what you're looking for is once they start to slide around on the first side that you've dropped them on, you can kind of tell that you're starting to form that crust, and then that's a good time to go ahead and flip them, and then you want to allow them time to become nice and golden brown on the other side, and then we're removing them, putting them on a cooling rack lined with some paper towel to soak up any excess oil. So we're ready to pull our fritters. You can see now that they're holding together. Once they cook, all right, so once you've ran through all of your fritter batter, you're ready to move on to the chickpea salad. Okay, so for the chickpea salad, it's very, very simple. We have our chickpeas, which we drained. I'm gonna add a nice pinch of salt, cracks of black pepper. We have some fresh chopped parsley. also have some quartered cherry tomato. And we also have mozzarella. Everything is cold, so this is a nice cold salad. Quick drizzle of olive oil. We also have some lemon juice, maybe. Shooting seeds. All right, we're just going to toss this together. All right, at this point, all that's left to do is to plate it up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.